Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje uzoshaya i-season review. Yabo ngizobheka izinto Orlando Pirates ezenze kahle nezinto edala ukuthi Orlando Pirates ingayiwini izicoco obiyitshela ukuthi izoyiwina namhlanje. Yabo. Orlando Pirates iqale njengenjwayelo season. Sijwayeleke kuyibona Orlando Pirates in the past 3 seasons Orlando Pirates iwawinile ama-MTN Cups. Yabo. So kule season lesi siphuma kuyona right now iwinile MTN abadlali ababedlala ngempela kuleyo MTN abomfukengi abomonapule Saleng nabo abonda yabo bebeyisiza impela i-team bayisiza impela i-team ukuthi ikwazi ukusithatha lesicoco lese-MTN yabo ngifise ngathi nangesizini elandelayo i-team iqhubeke kule tradition yokuthatha ama-MTN yabo so i-MTN kube yiyona cup Orlando Pirates ekwazile ukuyiwina kule season le isiphuma kuyona yabo yize ngasiwona amazwi amnandi lawo but ke at least Orlando Pirates ibe nayo indondo ebukela kuyona ukuthi at least we won something kule season lesingabi ne-season empty-handed yabo sibe empty-handed kwi-season but ke we won i-MTN yabo kwathi kwi-cup elandelayo we lost in the first round of i-calling knockouts yabo it wasn't a nice game to be honest Orlando Pirates ekuloseni kwayo because yaluza ngo-3-2 Imagine ushawa i-team esathanda kuphuma ku-NFD izokushaya ngo-3-2 udlala home. Imagine udlala home i-team izokulida ngo-3-0 first half when udliwa ngo-3-0 ushawa i-team ephuma ku-NFD yabo it wasn't a good look for Orlando Pirates ke they lost that game ngo-3-2 yabo but ke historically Orlando Pirates ayikaze ibe nenhlanhla yokuyiwina le cup le since yabe i-Telkom knockouts right now isi-calling knockouts asikaze sibe nayo inhlanhla yosiwine le cup le I hope next season sozama mhlambe sesifinyelele kuma final yabo at least ke mhla I'm not saying we must lose kwi final but at least try to win this cup because since nje asikaye sibe nayo inhlanhla yokuyiwina le cup le angifuna uqomanga yabo when was the last time you saw Orlando Pirates iwina le cup because the last time we played the final le cup we lost to iBaroka imagine but ke I hope next season abafana bazokwazi ukuzama bayiwine kangcono le cup le mase ukuthi ku-Champions League we played i-Champions League kule season le bafethu bekumnandi ngempela ukubona Orlando Pirates idlala kwi-Champions League iyimisela kanje sikwazile ukuyiqeda i-group stages yethu ama-group stages wethu besine Al Ahly Sarpezul Dadi Stade Abidjan we beat Loma team lawo sahlala lapha phezulu saba undefeated kuma-group stages yabo angifuna uqamambe kuyi-standard esihle lesi besisethwa uJose Rivero yabo i-standard lesi ekumele sithathwe ucoach ozolandela yabo wabona ukuthi okay Orlando Pirates bidlala kanjani last season kwi-CAF Champions League yabo kumele kuqhutsheke kuloyo mzila lo kade khanjwa kuwona athi sifika kuma-knockout rounds salishaya i-MCL just sesifika kuma-semi-finals lapho khona sekumele siye kwi-final sashawa i-Pyramids yabo i-Pyramids yasiguqisa ngo-3-2 we played to not sidlala le i-first leg sidlala FNB mase sesiyodlala i-second leg yashaya ngo-3-2 sesidlala away uNkota noMfukeng they performed very well and ama-senior guys I don't wanna lie ama-senior guys they let us down yabo i-Pyramids ke yadlulela kwi-final lapho khona yashaya i-Mamelodi Sundowns kuyimanje i-Pyramids ine-star yabo sokuqala in their whole existence yasungulwa ngo-2008 le team le but ke isine-star sokuqala yabo dlula i-Kaizer Chiefs phela inasi star since yasungulwa angazi yasungulwa nini i-Kaizer Chiefs but namanje abanasi star but ke asikho lapho Orlando Pirates iphuma number 2 kule season esiphuma kuyona iqede i-season ina 61 points yabo ilandela i-Mamelodi Sundowns le ina 73 points so i-Orlando Pirates kule season ishaya 61 points to be honest lawo ma-point lawo ama-point amaningi yabo ama-point amaningi lawo angakuwinela i-league but ke Orlando Pirates ayikwazanga ukuyiwina i-league because Mamelodi Sundowns yabo i-excel kakhulu isizovala season since balanda nje uMiguel Cardoso abasiza impela ukuthi bakwazi uku-excela kahle kwi-league yabo but ke I hope Orlando Pirates next season izozama ukwenza kangcono kunale season lesi kuyona yabo because mase ubheke last season Orlando Pirates ayenzanga kahle kanje yabo ama-points ethu abengafiki nje ku-60 yabo thina u-60 ade saqala like ade sagcina ukuba na-60 points if I'm not mistaken angikhumbuli Orlando Pirates ba na-60 points yabo so umsebenzi omuhle lo wenze uJose Rivero ne-technical team yakhe sadlala i-Nedbank Cup final against our rivals i-Kaizer Chiefs yabo iMoses Mabhida it was not a nice final to be honest angifuna uqamanga it was not a nice final we lost uMakhehleni Makhawula due to an injury caused by Wandile Duba but ke I don't want to dwell too much on that yabo but ke Kaizer Chiefs ended up winning the cup yeah so overall season for Orlando Pirates akufuqa amanga ikanjalo yabo. We lost ileague, we lost iNedbank Cup, we lost iCurling Knockout, we lost iChampions League yabo. I'm sure uyayibuza ukuthi hayi Orlando Pirates beziningi kanje izicoco bengayiwina kwenzakalini yabo. So ngizobala ama causes adale iOrlando Pirates ingakwazi ukuyiwina zonke le zicoco lezi, because beziningi izicoco Orlando Pirates ebingathole ithuba lokuthi iwina yabo, njengeNedbank Cup nje, njenge League Cup, njenge Champions League yabo. There were many trophies Orlando Pirates ebenamathuba amaningi ukuthi wawina, but ke yagcina ihluleka yabo. Ngiqale nje kuma early injuries yabo. Wonke ama team abanawo ama injury, angifuqa amanga, ayikho team engabi nawo ama injuries. Orlando Pirates ihlaselwa ama injuries ngabadlali ababaluleke kakhulu. Mukhumbula kahle uLisanda waqala neOrlando Pirates eqala isizini, but ke wadlala ama games a few neOrlando Pirates. I don't think he played over 5 games with Orlando Pirates uLisanda, and he sustained a serious injury yabo. Umjido wahlala isikhathi eside kakhulu until now asikaye simboni uLisanda edlalela Orlando Pirates yabo. Omunye umdlali walimala ubani, uSesane, Thabiso Sesane, another player who played ama games amaningana yena for Orlando Pirates yabo. He was very crucial kuma group stages for Orlando Pirates, but ke umjido walimala sedlala against iSkhukhune United yabo. Leyo nto leyo yadala kakhulu ukuthi Orlando Pirates ilose momentum, because mukhumbula kahle le game lesadlala against iMamelodi Sundowns kwi-league seshango 4-1, lapho khona wayesasana kulimala lo mjida lo uSesane. Thabiso Sesane wayesasana kulimala, and uThapelo Gxoki naye ubesesana kubuka kwi-injury yabo. Lezo zinto ezikanjalo izona mhlambe ngokwami engabona zisikhosta kakhulu i-league, because ngokuthi kasishawa ngalesa sikole sihana abadlali abaningi babona ukuthi hayi ayisekho lento le yabo, ayisekho lento lesesiyidedelile i-league right now kwasoshawa iMamelodi Sundowns ngescore esingaka yabo. Ngokwami abadlali abaningi babona kanjalo, lehle ithemba lokuthi ba challenge iMamelodi Sundowns for i-league. Abadlali abanjengoMiguel Team nabo babelibele, abadlali abanjengoZakhelile Pasa babengekho, Zakes babelimele yabo. So those early injuries in the league phase really killed the momentum Orlando Pirates. Enye into ebulale Orlando Pirates ile issue le kaMona Mpule yabo. Another issue seyibulale kakhulu Orlando Pirates kule season yabo, because siyazi uMona Mpule what is capable of. We know into capable of uMona Mpule siyazi ukuthi yini angayenza for Orlando Pirates, but ungabi kubikho kwakhe yabo kuyibulalile momentum ye-team, because we needed a player ozokwazi ukwenza yabo something out of nothing. We needed a creative player ongakudlalela ibhola elihle emehlweni, but he created something that was very benefiting for his team yabo. Even though engakudlalela ibhola elihle, but he was very creative. I don't know ngamchaza kanjani uMona Mpule ulomdlali lo odlala ibhola elinga-understandeki, but lelo bhola lakhe liyawa create ama chances for his team, liyawa create ama wins for his team. Mase ubheka ama cups esesawawina nje. The last cup we won even Orlando Pirates MTA Need. Since sewini MTA Need samgcina lo uMona Mpule ngoba nama cups besiwadlala ubengekho uMona Mpule yabo. Asikaye sayiwina i-cup competition engekho lo mjida lo. Ekhona njalo asikaye sayiwina i-cup competition ekhona uMona Mpule. Ungikhumbuze mengiqamba manga yabo. And mengikhumbula kahle the last cup game uMona Mpule ayidlala kwakuyile iMagisi, and nakhona futhi wakhishwa first half yabo. Umbona umjida uthi wayengekho right. Enye izinto ilento leyo ungafuni ukurotate isquad yabo. Isquad mesinga rotate enye izinto edala Orlando Pirates ingenzi kahle yabo. Yona enye izinto esidale ukuthi singadlali kahle, because isquad sethu imost squad abadlali bethu bebekhathele yabo. Bekune fatigue uyabona ukuthi abadlali laba badlala week in week out. They play continental football, they play cup games, and they play league games yabo. Izinto ezikanjalo ezinye izinto esidala ukuthi suluze ama competitions amaningi yabo. Besinga rotate squad, ibench lethu beli weak, besingenayo quality kuyibench. Angifuqa manga singaqambela nje manga bafethu ibench lo Orlando Pirates belingenayo quality yabo. We didn't have quality players abazosuka ebenchini bashintshela igame yabo. Meshintsha besifaka uThomas Wangayi bengaqalanga, noma sifaka uDlamini, noma sifaka uShando. Enye izinto leyo esibulale kakhulu sifaka uKarem Kimvweni, and ukhamba coach Eli yabo. Ukhamba coach Eli enye izinto esenza ukuthi silose iNedbank Cup, because ucoach wa announce Eli ukuthi uyahamba kuOrlando Pirates yabo. for me izona zinto lezi ezidala ukuthi Orlando Pirates ingabi deadly kule season, but ke sikwazile ukuwina iMTN 8 at least